In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Rocket Money subscription for 2025. If you've decided it's time to part ways with Rocket Money, whether you're looking to cut expenses or simply aren't using the service anymore, follow along with these simple steps as I guide you through the cancellation process. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Rocket Money website. Open up your web browser and enter the URL. This will bring you to the Rocket Money homepage. Once you're there, you should see the Sign In option, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on Sign In. It's important to make sure you have your login credentials handy, your username and password, so you can access your account easily. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Rocket Money dashboard. This is the heart of your account where you can see all your financial information and service options. From the dashboard, we need to navigate to the settings. You'll typically find this option by looking for a gear icon or a menu labeled Settings. Click on Settings to proceed. When you're in the settings, the next step is to locate the Premium section. The Premium page contains all the information about your current subscription plan. Here, Rocket Money provides details on what features you're currently paying for. If you're certain you wish to cancel, look for the Cancel Membership option. Sometimes, navigating through these options might feel a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, stay focused and locate Cancel Membership. Clicking Cancel Membership isn't the final step, as Rocket Money will want to make sure you're fully committed to this decision. To finalize the process, you'll need to select Continue Cancellation. At this stage, Rocket Money might present you with retention offers or ask for feedback on why you're choosing to leave. It's a good idea to review any last-minute promotions if you're still evaluating your decision. If you're certain about your cancellation, continue through the options provided by Rocket Money to complete your request. And there you have it, a straightforward way to cancel your Rocket Money subscription. Once done, you'll receive confirmation of your cancellation, usually via email. This means your subscription will no longer renew, and you won't be billed further. If you have any doubts or run into issues during this process, be sure to reach out to Rocket Money's customer service for assistance. Thank you for following this step-by-step guide. If you found this helpful or have any other topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and updates. Have a great day.